Would you like to be one of the first people in the world to learn about a new 100x potential Solana-based gem that could be a major project? And also, would you love to know about a project that is already out and is currently on a fire sale in this cryptocurrency dip? If so, watch this whole video. My name is Suppoman, the superhero of cryptocurrency, and I find you the 100x gems. If you love content like this, where I find you the best multipliers, then make sure you smash a like on this video, you subscribe to the Suppoman, and hit the bell notification because timing is essential. Now, on to the subject of fantastic gains. Velas pad launched today. Now, I brought you a video a week ago on Velas pad. Velas pad basically available on all the IDO launch pads: BSC pad, Tron pad, KCC pad, ETH pad, and ADA pad. Altogether, if you were on each and every one of these launch pads, you would have been able to get potentially over $1,000 worth of Velas pad. Velas pad has 100x today, so that would have turned that $1,000 into $100,000. Do not ignore what the Suppoman says. So Velas pad is now trending. Bluezilla projects that are launch pads tend to do extremely well, and Velas pad is no exception. Essentially, this is now trending on CoinGecko, it's trending on Dex Tools, and Velas pad has already shown a sneak peek of their first IDO and said that there are 40 plus projects in the pipeline. So Velas pad is going to be at forefront of building the Velas ecosystem. Velas is a Solana fork blockchain. So the next big one is going to be Game Zone. Now, I imagine this is going to massively exceed what Velas pad achieved today. I think this is going to be a 1000x potentially. And as I have said before, make sure that you get on all of those launch pads if you want a combined allocation that could make you life-changing money. So the state of play today is that Bitcoin is back in recovery. It has, exactly as I said it would, gone to 40,000 and not much below. I said it would be at worst 40 to 38,000. Now, have we seen the worst of it? I hope we have, because now the China Evergarde, whatever, avant-garde, whatever they're called, FUD has kind of disappeared. The global stock markets are up, and so therefore crypto markets could go up. This could be the end, in which case dollar cost averaging at this point is still a potential solution. If it was to go down any more, dollar cost average more. So the Bitcoin hash rate has gone down significantly yesterday. A quite vertical drop down in hash rate. Now, price sometimes follows hash rate. It's not the other way around. So you could be seeing another opportunity to dollar cost average. But whatever the case, altcoins still remain incredibly strong. So altcoins are where you need to be. And I'm about to bring you 2 altcoins you are going to want to know about before anybody else. So, a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and all cryptocurrency investments are risky. Just because I'm talking about it does not mean invest in it. Use my videos as a point of reference for your own research. Do not just copy my portfolio, because you'll always be looking at price and not the value. And all views and predictions expressed here are personal opinion and for educational purposes only. The first cryptocurrency I'm going to bring you is a Solana-based potential powerhouse that hardly anybody knows about, and it is called Cryowar. Now, Cryowar is a 3D sci-fi multiplayer short play battle game. It's very important to get all of that stuff in because every single bit of it is relevant. It's basically 3D. It looks like League of Legends. It features insanely good graphics, and it's short play, which means that it's mini games, 3-minute games. You're not going to be playing for ages and ages. It suits the people with short attention spans, which is most people that play gaming. And it's a battle game. Now, it's going to be available on the PC and on mobile. It is built on Solana, and it is built with Unreal Engine. And Unreal Engine has been used to create some of the best 3D games that exists today, one of which includes Fortnite. So, Solana and Unreal Engine looks to me like a powerhouse combination combined with what looks like an incredibly good-looking game. Now, Cryowar essentially combines many features which are trending. GameFi, NFT, DeFi, DAOs, deep narrative, multiple revenue streams, it's free to play and play to earn, and it's on Solana. So Solana essentially brings down the speed and the cost that are involved in the GameFi process. So if you are minting a special NFT that you get for the game, then it's going to be incredibly low cost. It's not going to be like Ethereum where you spend about $100 to $300 minting an NFT. You will be able to mint it for less than $1, and you're going to be able to mint it very, very quickly. So Solana seems to be the breeding ground for the next generation of games. So, what is the token utility? It's going to be for governance, but it's also going to be for NFT and liquidity staking. So you can get your NFTs and you can stake them for a high yield, or you can stake in a liquidity pool for high yield also. It's also going to be yield farming, and the Cryowar token is going to be used as the in-game currency and the trading currency. So it's firstly used for inside the game and also on the marketplace if you wanted to swap or trade characters. Now, this has got a busy roadmap all the way to Q2 2022. What does that mean? That essentially means it can really exploit bullish bursts of value all through the bull run at the latter end of this year, stroke the beginning of next year. It is already 10x oversubscribed at VC stage, and there is no knowledge as of yet who the VCs are, but I can tell you if it's oversubscribed, they have probably got some of the best in the game. What is the size of the opportunity? This is going to open out at a 1 million market cap. It's going to be 2.8 cents per token, which to me sounds like a fantastic opening price to make multipliers from, and there's going to be 35 million tokens in initial supply. Furthermore, the market cap allows it to exploit huge gains. So looking at the quality of Cryowar, if it was to achieve what Star Atlas is today, it would be a 200x. That is not even considering what Star Atlas has achieved, which would probably be about 600x for Star Atlas's all-time high. So 200 to 600x in terms of potential is huge. Even if it is half that, that is incredible. So I personally believe this is going to be a fantastic game and it's going to yield incredible results. Now, as far as Launchpad is concerned, this has not yet been determined, but I imagine it's going to go on a significant Launchpad. So something like Polka Starter. So that is what is going to be coming out. But what is a cryptocurrency you can get behind today that is ultra exciting? That cryptocurrency is called Stratos. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you will know I am really bullish on Stratos. Why? Because it's a superstructure. It's a next generation blockchain for the next generation of dApps and services. So it's a superstructure because it essentially combines 4 technological arms that allows for decentralized apps to run really smoothly. So it is going to be combining decentralized cloud, computing, blockchain, and database for a big superstructure for any dApp. So they can use all of these arms of the Stratos data mesh. And they operate on a proof of traffic algorithm. That means that the algorithm can detect where geographically and on what videos the most traffic is being generated to, and it can load balance it so that it concentrates its computational power where the traffic is, therefore allowing it to stream or broadcast high quality videos. So what are the technological features that make Stratos a powerhouse of the future? Well, Stratos is a blockchain, so it's just like Terra, Cosmos, Solana, Phantom, etc. Alright, so it's a layer 1 blockchain and it's built with Cosmos SDK. Now, a lot of the top blockchains were built with Cosmos SDK. For instance, Binance Smart Chain, Terra, Crypto.com, amongst many others. That means it can achieve 10,000 plus transactions per second, 5-second block times. And Stratos is also going to have Ethereum virtual machine compatibility. So you are going to be able to have your Ethereum dApps essentially plug into Stratos' data mesh and utilize the technology of Stratos. So that to me is insanely powerful for any dApp of the future. Now, they have traditionally concentrated on video content platforms. So they want to be looking to host the next Netflix, the next YouTube, and the guy who is the CEO of Stratos helped build Pornhub's video architecture. So you know that there is the experience there to build a very high performance video content platform. However, Stratos is now moving into the metaverse. They're now moving into GameFi, and they are looking for games to be hosted in a decentralized way, not on centralized platforms as they have been in the past. So, Stratos are now opening out to gaming and GameFi and looking to facilitate growth in that industry. Now, the video games industry is worth about 300 billion, and 40% of the planet play video games. So can you imagine how powerful Stratos can be if they can host some of the best games to come out in future? Now, who is backing Stratos, if you didn't know? Fenbushi, which is a top tier VC. Kinetic, Bixen, and Spark, which are 3 mid-tier VCs. So these guys have got high-quality fundamentalist VCs. These are not the type of VCs that cash out on a good payday. These are the type of VCs that stay with a coin that they believe in and help it to progress in its journey. Now, there are 2 listings coming soon. I can't say who they are with, but I can tell you they are going to be happening within the next month, because at the moment it's only available on Uniswap and some other crap like who.com. But it's going to be more widely available, and there's going to be higher liquidity in the coming month. So the size of the opportunity is as follows. It is a mere $13.7 million market cap. That is based on a 92 cents per token, with around about 14.9 million tokens in circulation. Now, to get to the likes of Terra, which is another blockchain built with Cosmos SDK, that would be an 850x. If it was to achieve what Filecoin has achieved, which is also decentralized cloud cryptocurrency, that would be 580x. So this could have huge multipliers in this bull run if it's to even get close to what Terra, Filecoin, and various other cryptocurrencies that it's got similar features to. Now, Stratos has been working hard in the last few months since they have launched. They have partnered with ColdStack, and this is for decentralized storage. They've partnered with Firework Games, and this is their move into the gaming stratosphere. And they have got another storage partner for NFTs in Amy Finance. So I can only imagine that the partnerships are going to keep on increasing as Stratos increases their progress. Now, they are going to be launching their testnet in the next few weeks, and I imagine there's going to be hundreds, if not thousands, of nodes that are going to join the Stratos network and help it become that big decentralized architecture for the future dApps of this crypto world. So there you have it. That was today's video. I hope that you got a lot of knowledge here. And if you want me to analyze a cryptocurrency, make sure you come to Suppoman's Crypto Masterminds Telegram group, and we can discuss what cryptocurrencies you think are promising now. You can discuss it with me, and you can discuss it with Team Suppo's community. So a powerhouse video today. I want you to tell me, which cryptocurrency did you like the most? Cryowar or Stratos? Which ones do you like the most? Cryowar, MetaWars, Three Kingdoms, Genopet? Which game looks like the most promising that is going to be coming out for this bull run? Till next time, people, I'm Suppoman. You've been awesome, and I will see you in the next video. It is lights out, all out.